Hello, and today I'm going to talk about List IndexOf and List Remove. If you didn't watch my previous video, please do regarding list filters. If you know already how it works, you can start checking this one about List IndexOf and List Removes. Also, please subscribe to the channel and add like to this video, and let's get into this. Okay, so I have already a screen here with the list, and I created here a button to get the position number regarding the records that I'm going to search here, and also added a variable here, an expression that will be the position number that I'm gonna get here in this action. Okay, and I'm gonna set the list index of. I'm gonna drag and drop here. If you don't know where to get the list index of, just manage dependencies. Go here in the system and check. We can search for lists, and we can see that we have client actions, so functions for client actions and functions for server actions. So we have here the list index of and list remove. Okay, in this case I'm going to use client actions, so these ones, and just hit apply. Okay, so I'm gonna use the list index of. In this case, I'm gonna use this local variable because that's the variable that I have in our table that we are searching, and the condition will be the name. It will be equal to the search input that we have in our application. We also know that the list index of, we know that it returns the position of the first element of the list parameter that satisfies the given condition, or -1 if no element satisfying the condition was found. So what we're going to do, and it is best practice, we need to check if it finds something here. So we need to check if it is -1. If it is -1, it means that it didn't find anything. So we just set, sorry, this is not a sign, this is an end. We just send to an end, we don't do anything. If not, we set an assign saying that the position number, it will be equal to the one that is that we are receiving in the position of the list index of. Okay, and by doing this, we already know the position of the number of the record that we are searching in the table. Okay, so let's publish. Okay, so let me refresh my screen. Let me refresh, and now if we search for, let's say, manager, and we get the position of this record. Oh, something didn't work as expected. Let me check why. So position number, index of, name equal to search. It is -1, yeah, and position, it's index of. This should work. I know why. Because the list that I'm checking it is not supposed to be this one. Why? Because this is the list that I'm searching. So we are filtering, and that's obvious when you're filtering a list that only has one record, the current row number or the position, it will be 0. So this is not the correct list that I want to filter. Is this one, is the rows list. Okay, so which is the get rules list, entire list that we have. That's the full table that we need in order to get the correct position. So let's publish again. Okay, then let me refresh. Let me search again for manager, search, and let's get the position. So it's the 6. And now to finish, we need to drag and drop a button in order to remove this one. So let's remove record, and we just drag and drop a list to remove here. We say that the list that we want to delete, in this case is this one, and the position, it will be the position number. Okay. Also, we need, before doing this, we need to after the search, we're just gonna have one record. We need to previously to assign this list to the one that we have here in the detection, that it is the full table. So let's publish. Okay, let's refresh. And now let's use a different one. So let's use employee. Let's get the position. It's the tree. And let's remove. So we're going to remove employee from the entire list. As you can see, we do not have employee here anymore. Okay, we don't have. So it is working now. Hope this was helpful, and if you have any doubts, please comment below and subscribe to the channel, please.